Hello, in this video I want to show you how to find your TECNO Camon 18 Premier when you left it somewhere in the room and you can't identify where it is. And to do this you will need to set up a Google Assistant on your device and also make sure that it works for the lock screen. And one last thing is to have a volume up on the phone, otherwise it won't work. Now we need to ask Google, where are you? Or you can go and tell him to play a song, and that way your phone will make a sound and it will be easy to find it. So let's go for, hey Google, where are you?
I'm stuck inside a device. Help!
And here we have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.